Come, sound of yesterday, and move again this corner of the earth, far, far away from where you were once made, and let the pain of longing be long felt. Come and stay deep in the bedrock of the cells that hold all days that ever come. The memory that is their miraged form. Come, sing, be bold to dance and prance upon staged history. For what once was is what must ever be. And we, these crannies, will yet visit long. And e'en, 'tis said, unaged eternity will stage the days that were, and hear their song, and we will come again to where we were, where, brethren, we did once some echo stir.